happy to welcome you to our inaugural hot stamping experience and tech tour. Not only will you get to learn from our great lineup of speakers, but you'll also have the opportunity to network and learn from industry-leading suppliers of the equipment and technology. And you'll also get to see a hot stamping cell in action, making parts.
One of the great benefits of the MetalForming magazine and PMA conferences in general is that when they're paired with the tours, you get to see the actual applications of what you've heard about in the half-hour or hour-long sessions. And to actually see the implementation, then you can more easily relate it to what you're facing with your challenges day to day.
These events, you're getting to meet technical people, people that can influence decisions from an engineering point of view, and it's really intangible, the value of that. And there's no script or no easy process to meet those people, but when we can come together in one room or one area, you increase your chances to meet the right people.